Hello and welcome to the windy spring we have in Hungary right now. This is Ranunculus ficaria and this leaf form has white spots on it. It's quite weedy, but it's a lovely weed. Oh, and this one also goes dormant in late May, so it will leave no place, an empty place. Cordialis solida, Tulipe kaufmanniana. I think it's either Johann Strauss. Yes, it most likely Johann Strauss. We also have a lot of Chionodoxa in flower, four-belly pink giant. My favorite tulip, Tulipa streza. This is fashion, I believe. And lots of nice flowers everywhere. Anemone ranunculoides is in flower, which is also a favorite. I like spring flowers. This is Tulipe kaufmanniana wild form. So, oh, and here we have Anemone blonda in flower, and this is a light blue which will open soon. So thank you for attention, see you next time, bye bye.